I will be doing A Week in My Life.
From a content creator,
Bye!
an endorser, actress, and the seasoned TV host, Gabby Garcia does it all.
Please sign the contract.
At sa mahigit isang dekada niya mula nang pumasok sa showbiz, nananatiling kapuso si Gabby na naging emosyonal pa sa pag-renew niya ng kontrata sa GMA.
When I was younger, I often get rejected in auditions and PTRs. But GMA was one of the few ones who embraced me, who welcomed me, and who saw something in me. Tumaya sila sa akin without even knowing what I have to offer. So thank you for giving me wings to fly and to do what I want to do. GMA is my home. GMA is my second family.
Mas naging emosyonal si Gabby nang pasalamatan niya ang kanyang mga magulang.
I would like to take this opportunity to honor my parents. Thank you. Thank you for being there. Yes, palakpakan natin sila.
Nagpasalamat din si Gabby sa kanyang partner, ang kapuso actor na si Khalil Ramos, na tila naging personal photographer ni Gabby sa event. Naging mas special ang contract renewal ni Gabby sa pagbati ng mga kapwa-kapuso artists, mga kaibigan, at ni GMA Chairman of the Board, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon.
Ikinagagalak natin ang patuloy na pagtitiwala at loyalty ni Gabby sa GMA Network bilang isang homegrown kapuso artist. Mula sa kanyang memorable roles sa iba't ibang teleserye hanggang sa pagiging isa sa pinaka-in-demand na host ngayon, patuloy nating nakikita ang growth niya sa industriya.
Nanguna sa contract signing sina GMA President and CEO Gilberto Arduavic Jr., EVP and CFO Felipe Asialong, GMA SVP Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez, at First Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artist Center, Joy Marcelo.
Nakakatuwa what she's achieved now, and we're very optimistic that there's a lot more in store for her in the future.
One of our beloved homegrown talents, and I'm very happy that she's continuing to trust GMA with her career. She's actually more than just an artist to us. She's a family.
Organized. Again, this has been Martin Javier saying